EssenSteel is all about ease and endurance. From everyday accessories to casual workwear style, this stainless steel collection delivers quality with value. From earrings to chain links, every EssenSteel piece is made for comfort and coordination. Smooth finishes, subtle designs, and skin-friendly stainless steel make these items easy to wear all day, every day. Shop EssenSteel now on PandaHall, the trusted source for quality stainless steel jewelry. Officially distributed and easy to order in the quantities you need.